1. Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for reliable end-to-end communication? A. Physical. B. Data link. C. Transport. D. Network. 2. When designing a networking curriculum for adult learners, which principle ensures relevance to professional tasks? A. Andragogy. B. Behaviorism. C. Memorization. D. Drill-based learning. 3. A primary goal of mentoring network technicians is A. Assign repetitive tasks. B. Promote practical knowledge application and professional growth. C. Reduce accountability. D. Avoid evaluation. 4. Which Cisco protocol is used for managing devices over a network? A. If TPB, AMP, CHTTP, SMTP. 5. When documenting network troubleshooting, chain of custody ensures A. Legal defensibility of configurations and logs. B. Attendance tracking. C. Supplier verification. D. Random inspection. 6. Adult learners in networking are most motivated when A. Training is strictly lecture-based. B. Learning is tied to job responsibilities and real-world application. C. Tasks are repetitive. D. Only extrinsic rewards are provided. 7. Which device operates primarily at Layer 2 of the OSI model? A. Router. B. Switch. C. Firewall. D. Hub. 8. Formative evaluation in networking training primarily. A. Determines final certification eligibility. B. Provides ongoing feedback to improve instruction. C. Measures ROI. D. Compares participants. 9. Effective mentoring communication includes all except A. Active listening. B. Constructive feedback. C. Frequent interruptions. D. Encouraging reflection. 10. In curriculum development, backward design starts with A. Selecting textbooks. B. Identifying desired learning outcomes. C. Scheduling lab exercises. D. Instructor preferences. 11. Regulatory compliance in networking ensures A. Only cost savings. B. Legal adherence and system security. C. Reduced training time. D. Faster deployment. 12. Which technique enhances adult learner engagement in networking sessions? A. Passive lectures. B. Hands-on lab simulations and scenario exercises. C. Silent reading. D. Memorization drills. 13. The primary purpose of network audits is to A. Evaluate financial performance. B. Assess network performance, security, and compliance. C. Replace regulatory inspections. D. Train new staff. 14. Documentation during network troubleshooting is essential to A. Replace notes with verbal reports. B. Ensure traceability and accountability. C. Avoid oversight. D. Reduce lab time. 15. Which network protocol is responsible for IP addressing and routing? A. TCP. B. IP. CHT. D. SMTP. 16. Adult learning is enhanced when training includes A. Abstract theory only. B. Hands-on exercises and problem-solving tasks. C. One-way lectures. D. Minimal interaction. 17. In mentoring, scaffolding refers to A. Assigning tasks without guidance. B. Gradually reducing support as the mentee gains competence. C. Avoiding evaluation. D. Limiting feedback. 18. Which command in Cisco iOS verifies interface status? A. Show IP route. B. Show interfaces. C. Ping. D. Trace route. 19. A well-designed networking curriculum should A. Ignore regulatory requirements. B. Align learning objectives with field applications and compliance standards. C. Focus solely on theory. D. Prioritize instructor convenience. 20. Effective network configuration management includes A. Using default passwords. B. Documenting, backing up, and monitoring configurations. C. Ignoring version control. D. Random edits without logging. 21. Which evaluation method combines qualitative and quantitative assessment in networking programs? A. Summative only. B. Formative only. C. Mixed method evaluation. D. Peer observation only. 22. Mentoring junior technicians improves A. Only technical knowledge. B. Both practical skills and professional judgment. C. Social popularity. D. Documentation only. 23. Which protocol secures data in transit over IP networks? Telnet B, SSH, CFTP, DHTTP. 24. In curriculum mapping, the purpose is to A. Ensure content aligns with learning outcomes. B. Randomize topics. C. Simplify instructor workload. D. Remove assessments. 25. Regulatory compliance in networking requires documentation of A. System configurations, security policies, and audits. B. Staff personal preferences. C. Marketing activities. D. Random logs. 26. Adult learners retain knowledge best through A. Passive lectures. B. Spaced repetition and hands-on application. C. Memorization without context. D. One-time exposure. 27. Mentoring communication should include A. Vague instructions. B. Clear guidance, active listening, and constructive feedback. C. Avoiding questions. D. Frequent criticism. 28. VLANs in a network are primarily used to A. Separate broadcast domains and enhance security. B. Assign IP addresses. C. Increase physical bandwidth. D. Replace routers. 29. Hands-on exercises in networking training. A. Are optional. B. Enhance learning by applying theory to practice. C. Should replace all assessments. D. Are discouraged. 30. Network performance issues are most effectively monitored through A. Periodic manual inspection. B. Continuous monitoring and logging. C. Verbal reports. D. Guesswork. 31. In mentoring, role modeling primarily A. Provides examples of professional behavior and standards. B. Replaces formal training. C. Avoids accountability. D. Limits learner autonomy. 32. Security policies in networking should be A. Arbitrary. B. Evidence-based, enforceable, and regulatory compliant. C. Designed for convenience only. D. Ignored if inconvenient. 33. Summative evaluation in networking programs, primarily A. Provides ongoing feedback. B. Assesses overall learning achievement at the end of the program. C. Replaces formative assessment. D. Is unnecessary for adult learners. 34. When troubleshooting intermittent network connectivity, which tool is most effective for real-time analysis? A. Ping. B. Network Analyzer, Packet Sniffer. C. Tracer Out, DNS Lookup. 35. Which Cisco iOS command verifies routing table entries and learned routes? A. Show IP route. B. Show interfaces. C. Ping. D. Show version. 36. In adult networking training, scenario-based exercises primarily help A. Memorize commands. B. Apply theoretical knowledge to real-world problems. C. Reduce instructor workload. D. Eliminate assessments. 37. A primary goal of network documentation is to A. Replace hands-on training. B. Ensure configurations are traceable, repeatable, and compliant. C. Record-only high-level topology. D. Avoid audits. 38. Which protocol is commonly used to securely transfer configuration files between Cisco devices? TP, BTFTP, CSFTP, DHTTP. 39. Mentoring junior network technicians is most effective when A. Tasks are assigned without guidance. B. Goals are clear, progress is tracked, and feedback is continuous. C. Mentoring is avoided. D. Only annual evaluations are conducted. 40. A firewall primarily operates at which layers of the OSI model? A. Physical. B. Data link. C. Network and transport. D. Presentation. 41. In curriculum development, aligning hands-on labs with assessments ensures A. Learners are tested only on theory. B. Skills practiced are measured and reinforced. C. Labs can be skipped. D. Reduces instructor involvement. 42. Which monitoring approach helps detect unusual network traffic patterns indicative of security breaches? A. Manual log review only. B. Real-time intrusion detection systems, IDS. C. Periodic visual inspection. D. Random user reports. 43. VLAN trunking allows multiple VLANs to traverse a single link primarily by A. IP address translation. B. Tagging Ethernet frames with VLAN identifiers. C. Changing MAC addresses. D. Reducing bandwidth. 44. In network troubleshooting, which tool is best for verifying end-to-end connectivity between devices? A. Traceroute. B. Ping. CNS lookup. D. IP config.